Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to an episode of Greatlocs. I'm Gunther the Great, and today I'm excited to announce the Black Friday sale that's going on Greatlocs.com right now. Greatlocs.com is a place to where you can find the tools and the materials to make your dreadlocks look great. So for instance, you got the crochet hook to instantly lock up your hair, or the interlocking tool to instantly lock up your roots, or you can even get them together, and that is called the locking bundle. Now the cool thing about all those is that they're on sale right now. One thing I'm really excited about the Black Friday sale is that it's lasting all week, and you can get up to 75% off on the entire site. Speaking of sales, you can use code BLACK30 to get 30% off either the locking bundle or the crochet hook, or even both if you wanted to. And if you use code BLACK20, you can get 20% off the interlocking tool. Now the best deal, I'm telling you, this is the best deal out of them all, is you can get 75% off the Greatlocs Masterclass using code BLACK75. So instead of paying $100 to join the Masterclass, you only have to pay $25. And with the Masterclass, you get the locking bundle for free. So it's essentially like you're just paying for the locking bundle and you get the class for free. So, I mean, it's mind blowing to me. I just know that I'm gonna have to be packing stuff really quick because this is gonna sell out. Now guys, I wanted to leave this video short and sweet, so that's really all I had to say, that there's a sale going on Greatlocs.com right now, and it's for you. And remember, you can get up to 75% off using code BLACK75, and that is for the Masterclass, which that's the best deal because you get every single thing on the website just with that one purchase. You get the locking bundle for free, which includes the crochet hook and the interlocking tool, and you get the class for 75% off. That's crazy. But guys, you can get all this only at Greatlocs.com, so click the link down below and enjoy the Black Friday sale. Also, I want to say happy Thanksgiving, and I'm really excited for Christmas as well. Hopefully you guys are as well. If you want to comment down below happy Thanksgiving just to share the love, go ahead and do that, but don't forget to go shop at Greatlocs.com. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.